guys, it's Bob Holloway once again at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Right now I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on the Scarab 215 ID. This is a 21-foot boat. We ordered this boat with twin 200 horse Rotax engines, so this is a 400 horsepower jet propulsed boat. It's got a really cool feature in the back. It's got seats that flip forward and back, so if you're sitting on the back of the boat, you've got stereo controls, you've got cup holders, great place to hang out with the family. Inside the boat, we're doing C-deck flooring throughout. It's a snap-in, snap-out flooring in the cockpit. Really nice passenger and driver helm chairs. They do have flip-up bolsters, so you sit up high over the windshield. Touchscreen dash once again, full GPS functions, boat control systems. This boat does have the water sports speed control package, so you can set what speed you want to pull a rider at and how aggressive you want to be. It does have ballast and it does have surf plates, so 100% great family runabout for water sports. Moving forward in the boat, obviously we've got a pretty good sized ski locker. Got a great storage compartment in the side of the helm here. That's basically wasted space. They make great storage out of it. Great place for bumpers and life jackets, which are usually difficult to store in a boat this size. Lots of storage in the front. It does come with bow filler cushion. Guys, this is a tremendous value. 400 horsepower on a 21-foot boat. Nobody else has it. No one's going to have a boat that performs like this and gives you as much fun on the water as this boat does. Once again, it's Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Lewisville. Come by the store. You can reach us 24 hours a day at MarineMax.com.